Yo, what is good, fam? Let's get straight into today. Okay. Oh, I just realized that I don't have my mic today, but it's whatever. You guys can still hear me. So let's go over today's trading day. The NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, man. Today was interesting. Okay. So yesterday was a big down candle, and my objective was that, yo, we are gonna be targeting these lows, maybe even possibly ultimately this sell side liquidity right here. Okay. So let's go to the 4 hour. Um, so yeah, on the wait, what did I do in the daily? Okay, yeah, 4 hours. Go to 4 hour. So in the 4 hours, we can see it created a new day opening gap, and price was just consolidating around that throughout the majority of the night, and then it dropped around the 6 to 9 or 10 hours, or 6 to 9, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Time frame. And here, I just outlined some key lows that I saw. This 4 hour low, this 4 hour low over here. Let's drop down to the 1 hour, and then and the 1 hour showed a little bit more details about the 4 hour. Um, so this right here was something I highlighted. This is a 1 hour BISI that I thought would act as resistance to downward movement. So I kept that in note. Let's drop down to the 1 minute. So in the 1 minute, or in the 1 minute, okay, 9:30 a.m. Hope opens, crashes down, takes out this low, okay, but then it quickly reverses and creates a breaking structure. All right, so we are currently bullish in the first 30 minutes, and honestly, I could have entered this fair value gap right here because this is a valid reversal, at least on the lower on the 1 minute time frame. But yeah, I didn't want to get into that because I had no idea how far this price was willing to move upward and if this really was even the real move of the day. So with all that in mind, I didn't join, or I didn't enter on this fair value gap. And price went up to take out the high, and it also went to um this 15-minute BISI right here, okay? So 15-minute structure, 15-minute time frame, it's bearish. We're bearish. But in the 9:30 a.m. opening, price went to take sell side and then went to take buy side and ultimately retraced back up to this 15-minute BISI to a premium. And after that, price price started to die off right here, and then boom, just crashed down lower. And here in this crash, I was not able to enter into anything. Um, I could have entered on this order block right here, but that's personally again not my cup of tea. So I wasn't able to enter into any of this downward movement. Price did not give me any chance, at least with my setups, and so I just watched this go down, and I was like, okay, we're continuing on with bearish movement as we said we were, because we are structurally bearish right now in the higher time frame. Just that the 1 minute or the lower time frames are right now taking out liquidity, doing retracements, and all that stuff like that. Also, another thing that I noticed about today was that these candles are humongous, actually. They look very small, very normal, but when I was looking at them, bro, this drop right here is like 1.5k ticks. So these moves, oh, they're humongous. And I realized that, yo, if I just got into any single one of these and just got a little bit of the movement, it would have been like a normal day of trading. Just that it visually looks a lot smaller, right? So I was kind of shocked by it. I was like, hey, that means that these trades are worth it, even though they're super tiny, because price is moving a lot right now. So when I realized that, though, it was kind of like we were already in the middle of the session, and I was just like, okay, it is what it is. Don't worry about it. Also today I had a feeling that, yeah, today might not have that much clean price structure or price action. So I was aware of that also. This is the only trade I took right here. I took it at this order block right here because I thought that, because I saw this breaking structure right here. And I was thinking that, okay, price, after taking the sell side and hitting the 1 hour fair value gap, there was some pretty strong, what was that? I was thinking that, okay, now it's going to retrace and go back up, at least on the higher time frame. And I entered in on that with that trust, and I got out right here at this bullish candle because, yeah, I thought it would immediately like reverse back up to this 5 minute. This is a 5 minute SIBI right here. I thought it would immediately go back up to this 5 minute SIBI, but it didn't. It actually went lower, and I got mad scared, and I was like, you know what, this trade is chopped. We are good. and so I got out. But if I just held on, trying to kept on believing, I could have maybe potentially gotten on this run right here. And mind you, this small run is 500-ish, 600-ish ticks, so that could have been huge. But I got out too early because of fear. And after that, the rest of the session, I was just observing what the market was doing. Um, yeah, price crashed lower, took the sell side, hit the 1 hour BISI, and as I was watching price retrace this bullish candle and then it started to go bearish, it did not look that strong to me. It did not look like it had enough, juice in it. So I was like, price I think is gonna go and retrace higher. As you can see, price did, but it again just went back down and failed and just kept on chopping. Um, and then my goal was that if we were gonna do another solid, powerful drop, price needs to go to a premium within this range, or at least to this 5 minute SIBI. And it eventually happened around like 11:15, and price just ran up. But it ran up way higher than I expected. And as you can see, price has just been consolidating up there again and again. So I'm not really sure if price is gonna be going lower. I think price will be going like maybe try another drop just with the respect of the 1 hour time frame or market structure. But I'm not really sure if it can go below this 1 hour BISI. But yeah, that was today's trading day. Not that much, trades going on, just more about observing, watching, seeing what price is trying to do, getting a feel for price, and just seeing if my setup that I trust comes about, which it only did once, which was right here. But like again, I said, I didn't know how far price was willing to go, and it was so early in the 9:30 a.m. opening that it could have just been a turtle soup, and so I just decided not to take it. Um, but yeah, big movement day. We are bearish for the NASDAQ on the higher time frames on the 1 hour and 4 hour. We'll see if price keeps on crashing lower. Maybe price will do a retracement soon and then go lower. But yeah, that's today's trading day. Pretty calm, pretty chill. I did have some FOMO here and there, but I was keeping my self control because I wanted to see for my setup that I trust and with the backing of market structure, which I did not really find. And I took that one trade and yeah, I got out. But yeah, that is all for today's trading day. I'll see you guys.